Check engine light on. Code P0441 staring you in the face? Before you panic and rush to the mechanic, what if I told you this could be a $20 fix you can do in your driveway? The real problem: most people waste money replacing the wrong part first. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to look, and more importantly, the one mistake that could leave you chasing this code forever. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel, where we make car care simple, fun, and stress-free. Today, we're tackling a common but frustrating issue: the P0441 engine code. Let's get started. What is P0441 code? It means your car's computer has detected an issue with the evaporative emission control system incorrect purge flow. Here are the most common symptoms of P0441 code. Check engine light illuminated. Bad fuel smell, rough idling, reduced fuel efficiency. Possible causes of P0441 code: faulty purge valve or solenoid, cracked or loose evap hoses, bad charcoal canister, leaking gas cap, electrical issue. Here are simple methods to fix P0441 error code. Method A: the gas cap. Inspect the gas cap condition. Look for any damage, cracks, or obstructions that might prevent a proper seal. Ensure a tight seal. Make sure the cap is securely fastened and that the rubber seal is in good condition. Clean with the WD-40 cleaner. While WD-40 can be used to clean the gas cap and seal, it's not a primary solution to the P0441 code. If the cap is damaged or the seal is worn, replace it with a new one to ensure a proper seal. Method B: the canister purge valve. Checking the purge valve. Locate the canister purge valve on your vehicle, typically under the hood. With the engine running, place your finger on the vacuum port of the purge valve. If you feel a vacuum suckage, it means the valve is potentially stuck and needs replacement. Replacing the purge valve. If the purge valve is deemed faulty, replace it with a new one. Once you fix the issue, clear the code with your scanner. Take the car for a drive to see if the check engine light stays off. If it comes back, you might need a smoke test to find hidden leaks, and that's it. Fixing P0441 is usually straightforward once you find the culprit. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.